What's up, everybody? Tag Daddy here. Big 3 event right outside of Daytona, Florida. Hanging out with Schwell, hanging out with Hank Strange, hanging out with Tim from the Military Arms Channel. Been a great couple days so far. We've got some great demos. We've got some great shooting footage for you. And today, we're going to use some of that Liberty personal defense ammo in just a bit and shoot some hams, shoot some other stuff. It's going to be a good time. And then tonight, the night shoot. So, good times all around. Appreciate you tuning in as always, and peace to the Schwell channel.
You ready? Step back. Rich, we good? Yeah, we're hot. Bill, are we good? Good. Lock and load! Hold up. Come on, get low. Check it out. Return it 3 times. You got it.
How's your ejection? Okay.
Sexy now, baby.
Everyone ready?
Ready.
Hey!
Look, where the shrapnel is. Windshield.
My camera was rolling. I'm so glad.
Whoa.
Hey guys, Schwell here. I'm out at Big 3, 2014, having a blast. Literally.
I think dude went and grabbed them all already.
We wailed into that thing.